You can't medic him, he's dead.
Yeah.
You're not listening to the briefing? Fucking cock.
Right, well they know you're there.
There's gotta go out, it's been a medicine.
No, I'm not getting shot again.
How's it going? Shit, it's cold.
No chance.
Blues! Blues!
Dead, Bruce.
Guys, we've got 3 reds up in the corner there. Where you coming from up here, guys? So you see your reds in the corner there? Yeah, those are reds. Yeah, they're reds. You can climb up if you want, yeah. And you can go around that way if you want, yeah.
I'm sure you can climb, I'm pretty sure it's if no
As long as you
climb.
stay to the right of the monument, you're fine. What's that?
Are you sure you can climb? I'm pretty sure it said no climbing on shit.
Climbing on shit, it's just going through a wall.
It's going through it. Hog smash. He's got a sniper rifle, I think.
Okay. I'll keep them honest here for a little bit longer and then join going around that way. Stops them pushing across the courtyard, which is probably quite helpful. Are those boys getting up? Oh, they are. Good. Yeah, watch out, you've got a sniper across the courtyard. See what my range is like. Not that great. Sniper!
Let's go in there.
Red player flanking left!
Is he ready? You sure he's ready?
Yes, he's perfectly ready.
He's setting out, isn't he? Just put his hand up.
Can't be out, he's not going to the sword boy.
Exactly. That boy just got shot. Right, not
Over there. How close are they?
The thing is though, on the other side, there's men dead, so they just get shot behind there.
Respawn here, Landy.
You get over? You go back up that way, mate. Right? Next up. Right? Yeah.
Awesome. Shot.
They've got shitloads of cover, there's loads of
Reloading.
I don't even know what you mean. What's in there? Is it like a...
Literally, if you come back to me here, come to me. You see where the building goes in?
Yeah.
There's a whole fucking inside bit there.
Okay, they're all in there.
Fucking loads of them.
Right.
Oh. You can see them from over there.
Can you make sure when you're redoing it, it don't have to go any further from there, don't you?
Yeah, Matt. Yeah. What are you thinking? Don't take up your own position then get...
Jay, there's fucking loads of them. I know, I'll be fine. And there's one at the corner. Look at the shop.
Oh, that's sorry.
You present. Jay.
Hits! Oh, if I just stand there, I'm just going to get hits fucking touching him.
Craig, come here. I'm not touching you. Come here. Let me take that back off. Man charge.
Is that inappropriate touching?
What?
Wait, can you just hold that a second?
You're on both of them, right? Oh, nice.
Boom.
Guys, can we make sure that when people get in the shot, they are taking their hits, not continuing their...
No, no good.
Move. What? This is the back of the fucking corner.
Well, move round, we don't just fucking bundle into me. Go move. You
Fucking woman. Lanny, you doing another one? Alright, okay. Yeah, that's better.
But the problem is no marshals looking, so they're not going to take a hit.
Well, actually, 2 metres isn't very much.
We're actually accomplishing the square root of fuck all.
Huh?
So we're actually accomplishing the square root of fuck all.
Quite a lot of 5, 6 people hopping between the gaps in the walls.
Yeah.
Yeah, so people are just trying to sweep through that way. But as soon as they're getting up between that gap.
Careful, where the marshal is, there's a guy around the corner just to his left. He just raped those people. Shut up!
Right up there.
If I throw a grenade at you, you're going to have to follow it up straight away.
Landy?
Covering me?
Mate, you're not going to get it down there. He's not at the front of that building. He's at the corner of the back of the building, looking all the way down there to the through area. There's fucking fire coming down it.
So I'll do it, Sheep. Sheep, I'll do it.
You're on the
Clear there.
hit!
Matt, throw a grenade round there. Throw a grenade round there. Go, move now while I'm putting fire on him. Throw a grenade down there.
Someone with a grenade.
Just fucking throw a grenade. He can't move. The guy just round the corner. I need a grenade or someone to move up while I got him pinned down.
You can't, this guy's watching from 3 angles.
Just throw a grenade there. That's all you need to do. It will die.
Yeah, but you can't move from there because you've got small fire.
You don't need to move. Just throw a grenade over the fence to there. That's it.
Have you got a grenade?
There, he's dead. He's dead.
God. What's that? Building over there. We're on the corner there.
Yeah, they're watching for me. you need to pick
Marshall, we didn't cover it in the briefing, but I assume we're not allowed to stick guns or anything through little tiny gaps and shoot through them, are you? It's just normally most sites, you're not, unless you get your head through it or something, you can't shoot through it.
Marshall, you got my grenade? On the motorbike. On the motorbike. Yeah.
Hit! Where the fuck did that come from?
What bloke where?
Get in there!
Is he dead or not? I don't know what he's doing, that guy.
He is dead.
There's loads of people over the wall there. Yes? So here we are. I'm coming in front. You're in danger of getting your elbow hit there, mate. No, I'm happy with that. So I'm just sitting there watching it, so I'm Thank you behind. Hit! He's probably back now. Matt, stop. Matt, duck. Matt, duck. Alright? Yeah, everyone.
Right, Jim, come on, mate.
Is he still there?
Yes. He's way back, so I can't hit him because I'm shooting over his head, but I'm keeping his head down. Somebody just ducked out of it. Matt! Jesus Christ. Fuck me. You're blocking my shot, guys. Generate some shouting. Did you, Marshall?
I'm going to stand, I'm just going to get hit.
I'm not touching you.
Get too close up, that's not good.
Come on. Right on the corner down there, boys. Marshall went out. Between the wire and the chain link fence. Cheers. Job done? One chance, mate.
I'm out. Take that guy out. Take that guy out. They've got a 0 now. I shot 2 of them.
Okay, good. Reload, okay. Back up a little bit further, back up a little bit further.
thing is, oh, he's there. Is he live? Do you see him? He just walks into that doorway here, the boarded up doorway. The blue panel, see him? You dead? Hit!
Remember guys, get those rifle stocks in your shoulders when you're taking shots. Don't be sticking the gun around the corner without having that stock in your shoulder.
Reloading. We've got 2 or 3 guys, maybe 4, on the corner of that building you're looking at now.
Shit, they've just got Landy, they've flanked him around there.
Are we pressing back or are they there?
No.
Well, on that corner there, we've just lost our man on the left, so they've obviously just come round from the left as well.
Climb over this way.
Yeah?
You'll probably climb over if you're careful.
How did I not fucking hit him? Got him, got him.
Right, I've just uploaded about that one.
Huh? I think I'm out. Yeah, I'm out. I'm reloading.
I can't even see him anymore.
I think he bugged out.
Might have gone this way though.
Possibly. I guess their spawn points moved because I think we were right on top of their spawn point.
Run to the wall.
Yeah, I'll cover you. I don't know who's round there though. I can't see right round to the right.